hang on, you've done yourself a mischief. Thought I'd come and walk on this side. This guy's hooked on with one of these barrels. No, you're all right, mate. Yeah. Fuck. No worries. Yeah, I'll upright this one. There we go. Much better. Safety doesn't take a holiday, folks. Righto, behind me is the ice shop. And this is road number 2. And we're going to go for a quick walk just to see if it's still Cambodia's most dangerous road. Let's rock and roll. So my goals actually is I'm going to try and make it to the roadside butchers. Now they're a fair way up that way. We saw them in 2019 and there was only one of them. But in 2.5 years, they've multiplied in true Khmer fashion where if a business is doing well, other people get the same idea and set up exactly the same business right next door. Kinal tells me that it's for convenience, for the customer's sake. There's the guy in the bike wash, still doing the bike wash. But I say, it's good to have competition, but you've got to have a point of difference. And they haven't quite grasped that, in my eyes, yet anyway. This bloke's having a look. Smoking his durry. With his hat. Cool dude. Yes. So, this is a very industrial spot. I don't know if you saw the first video. If you haven't, I'll leave you a link at the end, because I want you to watch this one first. This is a national highway. It has been widened since I was last here. It used to be, well, all this dirt was dirt basically. It used to be a bit more that way. But given the amount of trucks and industry and... Oh, poor Prius. See, Prius, not superior at all. Shit heaps. Given all the industry that's around here and the fact that this is a road that goes all the way to Chau Doc in Vietnam, they've upgraded it. When we were here last, they dug up the road to put the pipe. Now I think they're going to dig up the pipe to put the road again because, according to what the guys tell me, I don't know if this is fair dinkum or not, but there was a Korean company that was contracted to build this road. The local governor turned around and said, not good enough, do it again. So it's going to get ripped up again, which is shit. Lovely lady with her juice stand. Here's some more trucks. Have a look at getting across there. Bugger me. It does feel a bit more spacious walking along it actually. I don't feel as squeezed. Last time we felt quite squeezed. So that's a good thing. Safety is key. How good's this? What's this name? Jackfruit? Yeah, that's jackfruit. Very good. Oh. We've got another one of these seller here. Saw. They look like berries or something. I think that gas company looked a bit Pete Murray compared to last time. Actually, there's a fair few more shops that are open up here. Even in this quite quick couple of minutes. There's this little restaurant that's opened up. They've got Sang, Tuk, On, Bong, Mien, Tuk Tuk Chet, Mien, La. Some moi. I need a cold water.
Okay.
Tuk.
Tuk.
Just tuk. Oh, in here. Oh yes. Let me get a cold one. Yeah, cold enough. The last 2 seconds. Up on. Oh, that looks better. Oh yeah. Check. Some more. There, con. It's okay. 1,000. 1. Now I could be absolutely stooged here because I would expect this to cost 2,000. So I'm going to give her.
Okay.
My one.
1 Riel. Okay.
1,000. Okay. Perfect. Akon chalan. Mopwan 1,000. Akon. She didn't rip me off. So that is about 25 cents. Akon chalan. That's a buck. That's good. because I've got a habit of being stooged here when I'm by myself. Let's get that down here. Oh my gosh. Now here's a bit of shit, which I was hoping not to see, which is they've just dumped the garbage on the side of the road, and I dare say this will be lit on fire. That's some lemongrass here. Look at that lemongrass. I'll tell Kinal, she'll say, let's take it home. Our lemongrass at home grows bloody beautifully, but we killed it. Actually, so it doesn't grow beautifully. It grew beautifully for about 2 years, and then we killed it. This is interesting. See how they've got the compressor set up. This is a nice little money maker. So if you've got a compressor there, you've got a flat tyre in your motorbike, you just pull up to any of these guys, you'll pay them 50 cents or something like that, and I'll chuck some air in your tyres, which is pretty good. This, ladies and gentlemen, looks like my lounge room of about mid-2020, when Kinal went through her phase of selling things like snake plants. I know the name of a plant and other bits and pieces. But her and her Khmer mates joined together. Well, they didn't really join together. They all sold plants together. I call them the Khmer Plant Mafia. We've just come up to this bit. Do you remember last time? Aloy and I actually had a wander through there. It was a bit of an abandoned work site then. It looks even more abandoned now. That's where we found that really cool wheelbarrow made from an old 44-gallon drum. But, I don't know. I don't want to get bitten by a snake. I'm not that cool to go walking through the jungle. Probably more so, I don't want to hurt myself on my holiday. Because after getting to Siem Reap, I'm going to have 2 weeks where it's holiday time, not running around doing stuff time. No cars. I'm going to piss bolt across. Whiskey! Whiskey! The Kiwi's doing a U-bolt. What a cheeky boy. Good job. Righto. Now we're on the market side. Hello, it's just day. Does this look like another plant shop? It is too. This was or is it a coffee place masquerading as a horticulturalist? It's a coffee shop. Bloody hell. Wasn't here last time. How dusty you reckon this meat is? It's a standard Cambodian arrangement where you can just drive up. We've got chicken. We've got pork. Shit, we've got a whole other mini market here. You can get your greens. There's your trainette, your dry fish. It's just day. Lots of fresh fruits, greens. Look at that, garlic and that shit. Oh, I like the shade here. But can you see now, there's a bit of dust floating across. Some more meat. This day. Looks like a little restaurant. This is a little restaurant. Hang on, this market goes down the road. We're all having a look. There's no barangs out here. I'll give you the big tip. This day, freaking hell. This is any market down there. This day. This day. Tucks away. I think our original butchers are up the road here. Ah, this is why it's all slowed down. Because the road is no longer sealed. I'm going to get covered in shit. I thought I was a bit further ahead than I was. Shit, I've got to walk faster. I'll probably walk faster than this traffic. Have a look at how covered these plants and shit are. Dust. Oh yeah. Now, I don't know if they're building the road or ripping it up. Yeah, this is our original ones up here. I'm going to walk up here on the building materials. Oh, get a load of that. Hang on, that wasn't like that yesterday. Hey, back about here. I want to stop and get a photo. That guy in the ranger, he asked me, he was a pom, he goes, "You lost, mate." I said, no, I'm right. Oh, fuck a duck. Here was the bakery. This is where I got my bread from. So they've cleaned that out. So we are right where I should be, which is these guys here, these roadside butchers. That doesn't sound healthy, does it? The hell is in there? Coal. Fresh coal. Now, do you remember where these were? It says no. So we've got one selling. Oh Christ, I'm going to squeeze out here. Oh, this doesn't look good. Oh, that juice looks a bit iffy. That looks like beef. Looks good. Nice and fresh. Look how the establishment's been held up with the rice bags or concrete bags. Same over here. I'm not stepping in there. So the water truck. Might be able to skip down. What do you reckon? Here we go. Let's roll. Whew. Yeah, I'm not stepping in that crap. Watch out. A nice clean dirt here. So we've got one. Well, I've already counted one. There's another one. Another roadside butcher with their array of meats. Looks like mostly beef, pork. There's a heap more up here. So I can't remember which one was the original one. Because everything around... This is a makeshift market as well, behind here. Look at this. Sorry. They're just stalls, and I bet you they hire them out for bloody... Well, hang on. There's a market down there. Why aren't they over... Yeah, anyway, I don't know. We've got more beef here. Beef and bits, tripe, and other stuff. See how that's a wooden one. And this one here, this one is made from metal. It's stronger, but very thin and bloody hot, mate. Right near the drain. Oh, doesn't that look yum? The bone. I think it just gets chaotic up here, which is what I like. What this place is all about. Okay, this is the roundabout. There's the thing for missing the overhead sign. Their bit's changed, this guy's. Fuck, that must be hot, that bit of brass there. You're keen, mate. And the storm clouds are coming in. Look, I've got to hightail it back to get on a bus, so this is a quick walk down what I think is probably maybe still close to being Cambodia's most dangerous road. Maybe it isn't. No, mate. Tell us what you think. Is there a shitter one? Let me know, because I'd love to go see it if it's within striking distance. Anyway, oh yeah, I do know that I've got toothpaste on me. So if you've already commented, you obviously haven't watched to the end of the video. So stay long. Anyway, over and out until the next one. Yeehaw.